Hello everyone, this is Daniel with uGenesys, and welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to take another look at our amazing uGenesys volume indicator, alright? And let me just give you a quick breakdown of what we'll be doing today. So first we're going to add our indicator to our chart, and then we're going to take a look at the 30-minute time frame, the 1-hour time frame, and then the 4-hour time frame, alright? And we're just going to examine each time frame just to see some of the profits that we can make with this indicator, alright? So let's go ahead and first add our indicator to our chart here. Let's go to Insert, Indicators, Custom, and we'll select our uGenesys volume down here. Hit OK. Alright. So starting off here with our 30-minute time frame, let's take a look at some of the opportunities here. Okay, take a look right here, guys. You can see a lot of volume in this section here with this uptrend, alright, and we see the bars are above our golden line, alright. So let's go ahead and mark the beginning and end of this particular uptrend here. Alright, let's just use our crosshairs now to measure the pips going up here. Alright, so we see this movement of 60.7 pips, okay guys? Okay, and right here we can see a downtrend where there's a lot of volume in the market right throughout, okay? And so we'll just mark the beginning and end of this particular downtrend right here. Alright, let's use our crosshairs tool and measure going down. Alright, wow, so that's a movement of 287.2 pips, okay guys? So right here we can see we have a lot of volume in this uptrend here, alright? We can see a lot of the bars above our gold line here. Let's mark the beginning and end of this particular uptrend. Alright, let's just measure the pips going up here. Okay, so that's a movement of 265.9 pips, alright guys? And remember to click on the link in the description to get this indicator, okay? And so right here we see another downtrend with our bars in red here and above the golden line. And let's go ahead and mark the beginning and end of this particular downtrend here, okay guys? Alright, let's just get our crosshairs tool and measure. Alright, so we see we have a movement of 294.7 pips, alright guys? And finally, let's take a look at our 4-hour time frame here. And we know this is the best time frame to use with this to get a lot of pip movements, alright? So we can see we have a massive uptrend at this section right here. Let's go ahead and mark the beginning and end of this trend. Alright, let's just measure the pips in this particular trend here. Oh wow, okay guys, so we can see this is a movement of 816.8 pips, alright? And so right here we can see we have another downtrend, alright, with our red bars above our golden line here. And let's mark the beginning and end of this particular downtrend. Alright, let's use our crosshairs and measure the pips going down here. Okay, so that's a movement of 302.6 pips, alright guys? So as you can see again, this is a very great indicator for letting you know when there's enough volume in the market so you can get the most profits from your trades, alright? So we really do hope that you can get a lot of profits by using this particular indicator here. And remember to go ahead and click on the link in the description to get access to our amazing uGenesys volume indicator, alright guys? So thanks so much again for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.